Hi everybody, this is Jasmine with the Summer School Library. A few folks expressed interest in some Teams PD, and so in response to that, I thought I would create some how-to videos for you guys. I also have that link of YouTube videos in a playlist specific to Teams. That's linked in that library infographic I also sent out in this email, so if you want even further information from people who are probably a little bit more knowledgeable on Teams than I am, you can check that out. But for this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a recurring Teams meeting, and it's actually really easy. So if you just follow along, we'll get you set up with that class. So the first thing you'll want to do is open Teams, okay? You can do that, just go down to the search down here, type in Teams. Microsoft Teams is one of the first things that'll pop up. You just click that. So then over here, you can go to your calendar and you can see like your Outlook stuff is all connected. I'm just going to scroll to June. And right here, we're going to click on this create a new event. Okay, just that new. So right here, we'll just do Teams demo. Keep it nice and simple. You can title it like Biology Summer School, English for Summer School, what have you, whatever works for you. Now we want to make this a series. If you don't make it a series, you'll have to do this every single day, and I'd rather work smarter, not harder. So if you click on series, it'll auto-load the times for you. We're going to change that super quick. So all you have to do to change that is click on that little info right here. You'll want to change the start date, probably to June 9th when it actually starts, and then we'll change the time. And I'm thinking it's at 2 to 3:30. I might be wrong on that. Kind of forgetful sometimes, but you'll change it to the time that required Teams meeting is, and it'll just set right there. We're also going to make sure Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are also selected because, again, recurring every day. I think the only day that we have off is June 19th for Juneteenth. One thing you'll also want to change when it comes to the calendar scheduling is we don't want this to go into November. Ugh, no thank you. Instead, you'll just click on that until November 23rd or whatever date it auto-loads for you. And you'll just bring it, select June 30th. After June 30th, it'll just automatically end the series. So all of that's good. We're going to keep it at repeat every 1 week. Just keep what's loaded there. And then you can click out of that and it's auto-loaded. The next part we're going to talk about is invite required attendees. If you go to PowerSchool and find the CC block of all of your students' emails for your course, you can copy that block of student emails and just plug them in right here. And what that does is it'll make sure your Teams meeting link, your calendar link, is automatically loaded in the students' Teams app. So here, I don't have any students, but this is where I would just copy and paste that block or those emails in, because then, and you'll see it when I exit out of this, their Teams calendars will have this meeting auto-loaded. You won't have to send them a link every single day. I still recommend sending a link in your initial, hey, welcome to summer school, I'm your teacher, etc., but this is going to be really nice and handy if they forget where that email's at, the initial one that you sent. Hey buddy, just go back into Teams. It's in your calendar. So here, that's where you'd copy and paste your student emails. You'll want to click this Teams meeting, otherwise it won't make a meeting for you. This is just basically creating an Outlook event. If you click Teams meeting, it'll have a link and everything. Here's where you can put in just info, blah, 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 all that good stuff. You don't have to fill that part out. And then all you do is you just click save. And so here you can see that it's auto-loaded from June 9th to June 30th. It's at that time and it's all set up. And like I said, your students will also see that calendar event in their Teams app. Now, let's take a look and say, maybe I want to edit something in here. All you have to do is click on any one of the calendar events that you created. You can click edit. If it's just this event, you can click this event. But if you want to edit all of the events in the series, click all of the events in the series. Now, to get the link, again, you can just click on one of the calendar Teams meetings, and then all you have to do, don't click join, because that'll start your meeting. Instead, click the arrow down, and you can click copy join link. And then you can send that link out to students. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. They'll see it there, they'll see it in Teams, so they have two places they could get their link from. I hope this helped, and if you have any further questions, I'm just an email away. You guys have a good rest of your day. See ya!